And what is marketing and sales, and how does marketing and sales interact with all these different processes within a business, right? So marketing is more so how you convey your message to the people. What is it that you're posting? What is it that the ads that you run? Are you writing blogs when it comes to cameras and card access and fire alarm systems, right? So I will be doing tips and tricks on how you can maintain these systems, how you can understand the system better as a user. I will also be writing blogs about these particular systems. I'll be writing blogs about the industry, all the good stuff that's happening into the I'll be giving the value, as much value as I can, to the industry, in hopes that the people that I'm connecting to will then in turn buy the product that I'm actually selling. So that's marketing. So what sales is a whole other process that you start to market to these people that's taking an interest in your product or service. Now, how do you convert that lead into a buying customer? So with the sales process, you would probably have something that, if you have a website, you have a lead capture form, something that's going to get their name, their email address, their phone number, something that's going to grab their information, whether it be a form that's on social media or a form that's on your website. It should throw them into a CRM, and all this stuff should be automated. There's a bunch of AI tools that you could use to help you, and they're very affordable for you to manage your business. Some are free, some are paid, but the paid version, sometimes $10, $20, $30 the most, $40 even. It's all manageable. You don't need to have every tool, but you just need to have some of them implemented into your system.